Savor the Southwest. Sonoran Desert Spring, the creosote bush are in beautiful flower, but better than flower are these flower buds. Now these buds can be made into a pickled flower bud. We commonly eat capers, which are pickled flower buds of the caper bush, but you can also make pickled flower buds of the creosote bush. And just while I'm out here, I want to point out that the ones you do not want are these gray things. Those are the seed pods. Those aren't flower buds. They've done flowering. So we're going to come out, we're going to pick a bunch of buds, and we're going to make some pickled flower buds of the creosote bush. Savor the Southwest. Thanks for watching.